others to participate in that audience round. So it will be like an open question, and your team members can get points for themselves and for your team, right? So that's where they'll participate. So this is going to be like that. So basically आपको 4 चीजें करनी है. सबसे पहले तो assertion reasoning का आंसर देना है, nerd charades में करना है, definition बोलना है, and identify the error. So it's going to be simple. You don't need to be so don't panic about it and don't say in a hurry, but yes, keep the time limit also in mind, and yeah, play cool, right?
Right. Okay, awesome. Welcome everyone to TWA Championship Finale. Are you excited?
Yes,
So
sir.
I got messages from your parents saying that you have been missing school and preparing for this, and you're so excited about this. So I hope you come in the real KBC afterwards, that you're preparing for this KBC. So अगले बार आप actual KBC में भी आ जाओ, right? So good luck
Awesome.
to all the team members.
Okay, so Ridhima, you are not the host. I'm the host, is it? Okay, so I'll stop participants. They cannot unmute. They cannot start video. Okay. Everyone is joining. Okay. You can tell your friends to come in. They can watch as audience. You can tell your parents if you want them to come over. But anyway, this is all being recorded. Later, हम इसके थोड़े snippets बना के उसको हम Insta, YouTube वगैरह पे डालेंगे. All right. So welcoming everyone to TWA Championship Finale. This is what has happened earlier is that you've spent almost a month doing a set of questions as homework to revise every chapter, which is going to help you, for exam. And every week we have kept some or the other quiz for all the students of your group. And now this is the final finale quiz, which is going to have a different format, tricky questions, very less time, by the way. To answer every question, you will only get 20 seconds. You need to remember this. All right. So the questions where, we're going to show. Also, let me just unmute, mute everybody. Hi, everybody's muted. Okay, cool. So we're going to, ask you definitions. We're going to ask you formulae. We're going to confuse you with wrong definitions and wrong formulae, and you need to identify what's wrong in those. So all these kind of questions are going to help you in case study questions and assertion reasoning questions, which would come in CBSE boards. But at the same time, this is going to be fun because you're going to compete against each other. And if you lose marks, you lose marks for your whole group. So there's a lot of pressure also. All right. Share the screen, Ridhima.
Okay, I'll be sharing the screen. I thought you were sharing the screen.
So you can share the screen from that side. It'll be easier.
Host disabled participant screen sharing.
I'll give you. Done.
One second. First.
All right. Awesome. Let me also change the view here. Side by side gallery. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay. So this way now everything gets recorded. Awesome. Okay. So who's from which group? Atharv, which group are you from? Just introduce yourself, guys. That way we also get to know, whether. So when you have to unmute, I'll just do this. I'll unmute people who are from the group. So Ridhima is here. Atharv Mohite asked to unmute. अपना video और audio on रखो. Muskan Goel. I'll just ask to unmute Muskan. Then you have Puneet asked to unmute. Raghav asked to unmute. Vasudha asked to unmute. Chalo. So you guys can speak out and don't mute yourself. नहीं तो वापस तुम्हें तकलीफ होगी. Ridhima asked to unmute. ठीक है? Don't mute yourself.
Yeah, I was also suggesting if you guys can rename yourselves with your team member team का नाम in bracket.
Name, yeah.
So that it is.
Sir, can you unmute my second account? Raghav Tandon is saying. Raghav Tandon. कौन सा second account है भाई तुम्हारा? Raghav Tandon. Asked to unmute. So दो account क्यों है? Which one should I keep? I'll just keep one. I'll remove another.
Sir, I can't switch on my mic from my laptop, but you asked for the camera, so I have two accounts. One is camera and one is phone for mic and audio.
Which is a little tricky, na? Because then I don't know if there are two of you or one of you. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. I'll trust you on that. All right, ठीक है. Awesome. So TWA Championship finale. Everybody has to keep their all the participants here have to keep their microphone and this thing on. Just to test everything, let's start with Atharv Mohite. Atharv, can you introduce yourself? Which group are you from?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Myself, Atharva Mohite from the Expert Streamer.
And those who are from his group, if you want to cheer up, you can cheer him on chat. You can keep writing whatever you want to write. Don't write answers, but you can cheer him up. All right. You can also write answers, in fact, if you want to. That's all right. 20 seconds में जितना आंसर लिखना लिखो. So गलत आंसर दोगे तो उसको confusion होगा. ठीक है? चलो next, Vasudha Tiwari. Are you muted? I can't hear you.
Good afternoon, sir. Can you hear me now?
Very low voice, very low. So keep
I
it
am
very
from
close.
the team
correct.
Pirates.
Pirates.
I am Vasudha Tiwari and I am from the team Pirates.
Right, interesting. Okay, Muskan Bal.
Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Behel and I am from the Masterminds.
Okay, nice. Very nice. Group 2. Okay. Next. Who's the next person here? Puneet Sajdev.
Hello everyone, this is Puneet Sachdev and I am from the Whirlwinds.
Awesome. And Raghav.
Hi, I'm Raghav. I'm from the group called Mitochondria. That's group 5.
Awesome. Cool. ठीक है. So all the best everyone. I'm just setting this up here. Let me take away the participants and chat को close करो. Let me see if everything comes up. ठीक है. Awesome. Cool. चलो let's start. तो पहला round है हमारा. What is the first round? Ridhima, go to the next slide.
So the first round is reasoning questions.
Reasoning questions. How this will be played is that I'll take the name of the person pehle. For example, this question is going to go to Muskan Bal.
So we will give, so I was thinking, Lohit, we can go in the sequence. I have sent you the sequence also. So maybe I will call out to whom you are asking and then you can ask to them.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. So yeah, so the first question will go to Atharva Mohite. So they know the sequence, but I'm just repeating it. First, the sequence is Atharva, then Muskan, Puneet, Vasudha, Raghav. Right?
Okay, ठीक है. The first question is going to go to Atharva Mohite from the team Expert Streamers. All right. Here's the question, and here starts your 20 seconds.
Answer is A.
Answer is A. You lost it.
Answer is D.
Atharv, let's see this question. An object may have acceleration even if it is moving with uniform velocity.
Yeah, so in a circular motion, like
that's not uniform velocity, it's uniform speed.
But in a circular motion, it is continuously changing its direction and it has uniform velocity. So the
how does it have uniform velocity if the direction is being changed? In circular motion, it is no. Okay, look here. In circular motion, does it have acceleration?
Yes, because the direction
it has acceleration, right?
Yeah.
Acceleration hai. Why? Because it is going with uniform speed, but direction is changing, which means velocity is changing.
Okay, got it.
Acceleration is change in velocity upon time.
Okay.
तो ये वाला जो सवाल हम नॉर्मली पूछते हैं वहां पे लिखा होता है यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. तो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड होगा तब एक्सेलेरेशन हो सकता है. यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी होगी तो एक्सेलेरेशन नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है?
Okay, got it.
तो ये देखो assertion क्या था, assertion wrong हो गया. Reason क्या, an object may be moving with uniform velocity but it may be changing the direction of motion. If it is changing direction, then velocity is changing, because velocity is speed and direction both. Get it? Okay, so very tough start. I thought in fact this question was very easy. It was not very tricky. I was going to change this question, but the questions which are going to come further are going to be even more difficult. So here Atar Mohite, expert streamer, says lost point. Okay.
Okay. Next
Chalo,
question
wait.
is from
Wait.
Muskan Bell.
So I'm putting my this thing here. Okay. 20 seconds का, और फिर आवाज आनी शुरू हो जाएगी तुमको. 20 seconds ही है ना सारे questions?
Yes.
Okay, so let me just put it as.
ये round के लिए 20 seconds है, next round के लिए 30.
ठीक है. So I'll just when I see the question, then I'll put 20 seconds because she's sharing the question. Next question is for who?
Muskan from Masterminds.
Okay, Muskan, ready?
And here it
okay.
goes.
Ready. Time gone. Give the answer quickly. You want to pass or you want to give an answer?
Yeah, I will not show since she has not given the answer. So if she wants, she can pass. Say pass so that next it goes to Puneet.
But I can't hear her. Are you saying something?
Yes.
What?
A.
Huh?
A. Both assertion and reason.
Let's go
Should
to
I
the
show?
answer. Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
So she
Very
got
good.
how many points?
10 points.
10 points. She got 10 points. In the previous case, he lost how many points?
-2.
-2. Okay. So we have our person who's keeping the score. But you guys, if you want
Yes,
to
yes.
keep your own score, you can keep the score so that तुमको बाद में ये ना हो. हालांकि ये पूरी चीज रिकॉर्ड हो रही है, तो I don't think that should be an issue.
No, Mamta is there, so she's recording everything.
And in case you guys want to record it on your computer, you can do that. Huh? All right. Chalo, next question. Wait.
Next question.
So इसका भी explanation दे देते हैं. Graph between two physical quantities P and Q is a straight line. Straight line. अब straight line ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, right? When P by Q is constant, अगर P by Q is equals to K है, which means P equals to KQ, और Y is equals to KX, है ना? तो Y equals to KX होगा, मतलब जब Y 0 है तो X भी 0 होगा. Basically इस तरह का ही ग्राफ बनेगा उसका, है ना? Reason है the straight line graph means that P is proportional to Q or P is equal to constant multiplied by Q. Correct. इसका मतलब assertion भी correct है, reasoning भी correct है. ठीक है? So very good, Muskan. Congratulations for 10 points. Next question. To who?
Next question is for Puneet from Whirlwinds.
Awesome. Chalo, start.
Ready? Okay.
So A.
Okay.
Okay, he has given
Let's see the answer.
A. Okay. Let's see the answer. Uh-oh.
Okay, Puneet, here is the problem. Why do you give this answer A? Tell me.
So I thought it would move with the same speed because no acceleration is acting upon it. So means no force will be acting upon it.
No, but in the same direction क्यों होगा?
Oh. Yeah, that was confusing.
So देखो, अगर तुम इसको टाई कर दो एक स्ट्रिंग में और उसको ऐसे घुमाओ, स्ट्रिंग काट दो, तो क्या होगा? टेंजेंशियल जाएगा, क्योंकि उस इंस्टेंट पे उसकी वेलोसिटी तो टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल है, तो इसलिए अब वो टेंजेंशियल सेम कांस्टेंट स्पीड पे जाएगा, क्योंकि और कोई फोर्स नहीं लग रहा है, कांस्टेंट स्पीड पे जाएगा और उसी डायरेक्शन में जाएगा.
Okay.
तो ये रीजन, तो असर्शन अपना सही है. रीजन उसका ये होता है बिकॉज इट हैज velocity in this particular direction and then there's no force being applied. That should have been the reason. But जो reason दिया हुआ है वो correct है, but वो उसका reason नहीं है, क्योंकि acceleration तो हो ही नहीं रहा, और reason में कह रहा है कि acceleration is in one, but acceleration तो हो ही नहीं रहा. So answer was B, but you gave an answer, -2 point. Tricky है questions, आराम से 20 seconds ले लो, ठीक है? All the questions are very tricky. चलो, मजा आ रहा है क्या तुम लोग को?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That's a good spirit. ठीक है, चलो.
Next.
Next questions for whom?
Next question is for एक second.
Also, guys who are in
Is for
audience,
Vasudha.
who are in audience who are not on the video here, if you are from whichever group, अगर तुम्हारे ग्रुप का कोई यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है तो तुम उसको चैट पे आंसर लिख के वो कर सकते हो, हेल्प कर सकते हो, नो इश्यूज विद इट. ठीक है, यू गाइस कैन राइट आंसर ऑन द चैट, नो प्रॉब्लम विद इट. आई शुड कीप सीइंग. तुम्हारा आंसर सही हो जाता है, इनका आंसर गलत होता है तो देन आई कैन हैव अ क्लैप राउंड फॉर यू. ठीक है, चलो. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर वसुधा. वसुधा, रेडी?
Yes.
No, say it on your mic because we should be able to hear you.
Oh, sorry.
हाँ, say it on your mic.
Yes, sir.
और थोड़ा पास. Can't hear.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, okay, चलो, ready. Started. Sure.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Time gone. Answer.
Sir, C.
इसको मैं ready कर लेता हूँ. हाँ. What is the answer? The question is when a firefly hits. So you saying C? Vasudha is saying C. Right? Anyway, you have said C. You can't change it. Time is gone. Okay. Other Mohit is
Okay.
laughing, so
Should I
I
show?
think उसको कुछ समझ में आया. Okay. Cool. So you got the point, Vasudha. 20.
10, right?
हाँ, 10 point मिला क्या?
Yeah.
हाँ, 10
10
point मिला.
points.
Okay. Or 20 seconds, you're right. When a firefly hits a bus, each of them exerts the same force. Firefly has more mass as compared to the windshield. Vasudha, why did you give the answer?
Sorry?
Why did you give the answer C?
Sir, because Firefly doesn't have more mass compared to the windshield. So reason becomes false and assertion is
But what about assertion? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir,
How can you
every
prove?
force
Huh.
every force has an equal and opposite.
Very good. So
every
Newton's third law.
action.
Right.
Yeah.
So because of Newton's third law, we can say assertion is true. Reason is false because they don't have more mass. Right? अगर reason में लिखा होता because firefly has less mass as compared to windshield, फिर क्या होता?
So then A. No, matlab, then assertion is true and reason is also true.
No. So reason will not be that, na? That is not the reason for assertion.
Then no, assertion is true and reason is true, but it's not
True.
the correct reason. for
Correct.
assertion.
All right. Ridhima, I think you still the owner of this, so you need to ये जो annotation है ना, you need to stop that annotation
Okay.
from remote.
1 second.
While you've shared, then only you can do it from there itself.
Yeah.
अरे question दिख रहा है यहाँ पे.
अरे sorry. I will.
Still can see the question. Change it.
Now you can't see, right?
Of course, we can see the question.
We can see that.
I'm not able to stop. Okay. 1 second. There are too many things on my screen.
Cool. तो अभी किस का सही हुआ? अभी मुस्कान का सही हुआ है, वसुधा का सही हुआ, अथर्व का गलत हुआ, पुनीत का गलत हुआ, राघव बचा हुआ है. ओके. बट फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए, उसको तो केमिस्ट्री मिल रहा है शायद. कूल. हाँ, अनम्यूट करूं फोन को?
Yeah, 1 second.
राघव. कर दिया.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now I'm presenting. I think we should be fine now. Okay, now next is Raghav, right? Okay.
Okay, come Raghav, I'm starting. Yeah. Chalo. Three seconds remaining. Okay, choose an answer. Or otherwise you can say pass.
It goes to Atharva then.
A. Sorry.
A.
Yeah.
A. Okay.
See, for
so
wrong
the
answer there is -2. For pass there is 0.
But then the other
But
team
now
will
you
get
have
the
given-
points. Yeah, but answer is A.
Yeah,
he
but the
said.
other
Okay,
team will
chalo.
get the point. Yes. Okay, so should I show?
Yeah.
Oh, the answer is B.
A molecule
So
is the
obviously
smallest particle
Yeah,
of
both
an
the
element
sentences are
and a
true, but there is
compound
no.
which is
yeah.
capable of free existence. Correct? Hai? Reason, the number of atoms present in one molecule of the substance is called its atomicity. Reason भी अपने आप में correct statement है. But reason is not the reason for assertion, right? You have not practiced enough assertion reasoning questions. You guys need to practice enough assertion reasoning questions. Ritik Vishal here said B, which is good. Congratulations, Ritik Vishal, for the correct answer. So you guys who are in audience, you can put it on chat, because as you can see, a lot of people here are getting it wrong. So if you get it right, we'll give you a shout out. Okay. Also, it's a very engaging quiz, so you guys can also answer to your own self wherever you are. All right, next round.
Okay, now the next round is definitions round. Okay. No, sorry. Next is nurture. So your people are ready. Your team members are ready.
So
I need
now-
Anirban.
So now I want all the other people except for Athar to put off their video and audio. And you want Anirban, right?
Yes.
Anirban. Anirban Bhatta, I'm asking you to unmute and asking you to, तुम्हारा वो नहीं है क्या video?
Sir, I'm opening, but it's showing you cannot start your video because the host has disabled it.
I'm trying to figure out how I can make you.
Atharva, I'll be sending it to you on your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, now start the video. Anirban, start the video.
Sir, I'm open. Sites open only.
I can't see you.
I can see him.
Oh, now I can see him too. ठीक है. Okay.
So should I send the word
Yes, ma'am.
to Atharva? Okay.
Listen, Atharva, and anybody who's जिसको भी हम भेजने वाले हैं WhatsApp पे जब भी है, अपना हाथ ऊपर रखोगे, so that we know that you're not forwarding it on WhatsApp and all, right? Just keep your hands upper.
Just open my window, by Academy chat
Yeah,
window
yeah.
open. The word will come and you can start an act.
फोन ऊपर ही
Okay?
रखो, इस पे रखो यहाँ पे सामने, so that we know that he's not. Yeah, correct.
All right. Should I hit send? And yes.
Read it.
Time starts.
Drop it
Yes.
नीचे.
Yeah, उसने
Yeah,
read
time has
किया.
started. 20 seconds. चलो.
Biology.
$28 seconds over. I'll give you more time. Anirban, guess something. It's okay. You can guess. At the end of 1 minute, I'll stop.
Sir, osmosis.
Biology बोला ना?
50 seconds over. 10 seconds remaining. Guess something, Anirban.
Sir, nucleus.
Okay, time over. All right. Ritvik Vishal has said cilia. What do you think, Athar? Is that the correct answer?
No.
Wait,
Anybody
Mansi
else
has
from the
said
audience?
Mansi has said colonkaima.
Yes.
That's the correct answer.
Yes.
Oh, so तुम्हारा team क्या था?
Expert streamer.
Oh, but she's from mitochondria. Brilliant. So Mansi, congratulations, Mansi. So colonkaima था.
Mitochondria को
Mansi.
5 bonus points मिलेंगे.
So mitochondria will get 5 bonus points because mitochondria ने answer दिया. ठीक है? चलो, Athar, you can also put off your video. Now, next person can come
Next is Muskan.
I'll give them, they can start
Muskan
video.
and Arushi.
Okay, Muskan and Arushi come on video and audio.
Yes, sir, but my video is not working. My webcam is not working.
Okay, so Muskan's is working. Okay.
ठीक है, चलो. Same Muskan, you have to keep your phone here, and Ridhima will send you the name.
Okay. Ready, Muskan? Should I send? Okay. And hit. Okay. Okay, she has read.
Okay, start. It's already started. The time has started.
Physics. Motion.
Very good, very good. She's trying very nicely.
Acceleration.
Very good.
Oh,
Amazing.
acceleration.
So she got the word.
Oh, you got the word. What was the answer?
Acceleration.
Okay, so come time mein ho gaya. All right, congratulations, people. Acceleration. All right, good. Congratulations. Next.
Next is Puneet. Okay, I will send it to Puneet. Puneet and your partner, who is Riya. Is Riya coming or Netri?
Ma'am, Netri. Riya cannot switch on her video.
Okay.
Also, Ridhima, you can stop sharing your screen so that their videos are bigger.
Okay.
Brilliant. Now it looks very nice. ठीक है.
All right.
ठीक है. Wait.
Ready?
So whenever you get it, let me know and I'll start the timer here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So sent.
Time started. Natri, we can't hear you.
So I cannot hear.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Now we can.
Yeah.
16 seconds over.
Yeah, chapter 1. Okay. Blast.
Half time
You
over.
aren't clear.
Take any guess, Natri. Which is chapter 1?
Is matter around us pure? A chemical.
10 seconds remaining.
Evaporation. I'm not understanding.
Okay, time over. All right, wait. So I've got people on chat answering. Raghav Tandon said plasmolysis. Is that the answer? Atoms?
No.
Mixture? Tyndall effect? Colloid?
Yeah, Tyndall effect.
Tyndall effect. Mansi again,
Tyndall
mitochondria. Tyndall
Very
effect,
good.
mitochondria. Mansi. Mansi, I want you to come on video and audio. Come in. Mansi.
So I want to mention, Mansi is also, one of the very good, point scorers in the entire championship. So she is very consistent with her work. So very
You
good.
can clearly see. If you do the homework properly, you get the points. Mansi, I can't hear you or see you. Now I can see Mansi.
Oh, she's
Good.
in space.
So Mansi, how did you figure out this answer?
So like he was showing it like in typical effect, the scattering of light happens, right? So he was doing it like this, and I knew the chapter was his matter around the sphere, so I got it.
Very nice. Good. So that shows everyone that if you've been consistent with the homework and with the whole championship, you're actually going to get the points. All right. Thank you, Mansi. Who's the next person? Vasudha, come in.
Yeah.
Who do you want, Vasudha?
Molly.
Okay, Molly, come.
Okay. So Vasudha, you are online. I'll send you. Ready, steady, go.
Started. Time started. Molly, unmute yourself. $20 seconds over.
Come on, try. Try few words at least.
Chemistry.
Half time over.
2 words. 3 words. 2 words. Bomb. Atom. First word is atom. Atomic mass.
Come on, come on.
Number.
3 more seconds.
Very good. Very good. She said it.
What?
She gave the right
What
answer.
did she say?
Atomic mass number. That's the correct answer.
Oh, you said atomic mass number, Molly?
Yes. Yes.
All right, that's
I heard.
awesome. Congratulations.
Very good.
Molly has got it right. Let me see on chat who all are getting it right. Asaf said anion. Mansi said atomicity. Ion, atomic mass, gram atomic mass, AMU. Awesome. So this team gets it. All right, congratulations, people. All right, who's the next person?
Now we are going to the next round because we are done with the nut charades. Do you want one more words? Everybody wants one more word.
नहीं राघव टंडन का बचा ना.
अरे राघव टंडन का बचा, sorry. Okay, 1 second, typing. Yep.
Done? Send him? Okay. Look.
Can you hear me, Raghav?
Your voice is breaking.
I can hear you, but then.
मिल गया ना राघव?
Ma'am, is there a spelling mistake?
No, it's correct.
ऊपर ही देखो राघव. You have to look ऊपर. Both your hands have to be ऊपर. Both your hands.
Yes, ma'am. No, sir. So WhatsApp I'm checking.
हाँ तो keep on looking. Hands ऊपर होने चाहिए.
Bio.
Try. This is a word that you have seen.
45 seconds तो ऐसे ही खत्म हो गए. 10 seconds remaining. Try something.
I don't know how to.
Okay, do one thing. Raghav, stop. Now you don't say the answer. No one has been able to guess because he has not acted it out. So what we'll do is Mansi will give you the word, and you can choose another person from your group who can do this.
Okay.
Do you have anybody from your group right now?
Alina is here.
Who?
Elena is here. Yeah, Elena is here.
Don't
so
cheat, Raghav, don't send it to anyone else because only you know the word right now. So don't send it. Let them play the game. All right. Okay. हाँ.
पास नहीं होगा question.
पास कर देंगे तो तुम्हारी टीम का नुकसान हो जाएगा ना. So let's not pass it.
नहीं, Atharva is asking because he is the next one. So
Atharva is asking. Oh, okay. मेरे को लगा Raghav is asking. हाँ यार
ठीक है, I think Atharva should get it
no.
because anyway you have not gotten it right, so let's give him a fair chance. Okay, so
Because
I'll send it to Atharva.
अच्छा ठीक है,
Okay,
अथर्व को भेज दो.
so Atharva, I am sending you. Anirban can come.
Anirban, come. All right, chalo, start.
Okay.
Biology. Stereotype.
Half time over.
No, you are not trying enough, Atharva. You should have enacted the word. It's so easy.
नहीं ऐसे लिख नहीं सकते. You can't write it. 10 seconds remaining.
No.
Okay, time over. I've got some answers on the chat. Mansi says ciliated columnar epithelial.
No.
Is that correct?
No.
Very tough one.
He was
Maitri
not.
says larynx. Let's pass
no.
it. Pass it to the next group.
Oh, okay. Who is the next one? Muskan.
Divya
I'm
says
passing it to
ribosome.
Muskan. Okay, Muskan, I sent you the word. Let's see who can crack it.
मुस्कान ने बुलाया नहीं ना किसी को?
है ना?
कौन? Who's the person who's guessing for Muskan?
Me, Arushi.
Okay, I can't see her. Atharv is still
No,
there
her
on
camera
video.
is not working, she said, no?
Okay, Atharv, you can put off your. Chalo. Yeah.
Okay, Muskan, come on. I know it's a tough one.
हाँ. Phagocytosis.
कैसे आया? किसी ने भेज दिया क्या?
हाँ, किसी ने भेज दिया.
She has not even acted and she just like guessed the word.
Okay, anyway, we'll cut this. Okay.
Yeah.
What was the answer?
The answer was phagocytosis, but clearly the action didn't show she was doing phagocytosis.
There was cheating happening, which is very
Cheating.
bad. Be honest, people.
Phagocytosis is amoeba one, right?
Yes.
Engulfing.
Engulfing. अगर engulfing भी दिखा देते कोई तो कुछ तो identify हो जाता. Never mind. चलो. So then we'll go to the next round.
Yeah, share
of
your
definitions. Okay. So the first, again, it starts with Atharva.
Yeah.
Wait, we're doing 20 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Just a second. So you
So like
you
within
will
20
get
seconds, do you have to complete the definition or?
Yes. Within 20 seconds, you have to complete the
So you
definition.
see the name and you say the definition.
So I'll give you, once you see it, and then the timer starts, and within 20 seconds, you have to complete the definition.
Okay.
Chalo.
All right.
Sure.
Ready?
Yes. Define vaccine. Vaccine. It is a part of It is given as immunization. It is used to produce antibodies to a specific disease.
Okay. Let's see the definition. A preparation of weakened or killed infectious agents or their products that stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies against a particular disease. I would say it's not exactly the definition that you said. You covered the points. So you will get 5 points, half points of 10, not complete 10 points. Okay? Because it was not wrong.
I'm saying we should be strict here. अगर exact नहीं है definition, because definition में और क्या चाहिए? So अगर exact नहीं है तो 0 दो, और exact है तो full दो, और that's why people should be extremely prepared to give out a definition.
Okay. So then in that case, 0. Okay.
Be very, very precise, people. Take time. and that's the whole point. ठीक है, चलो.
Next
कौन
one
आ
is
रहा है?
Muskan. Muskan, you
Come.
can come on camera. Okay. Your time starts. बोलो बोलो जल्दी जल्दी.
What?
Is a
What?
change of an object.
खत्म हो गया, टाइम खत्म हो गया. ऐसे कैसे? How?
Did you get nervous?
अभी अब चलो, तुम्हारी टीम में से कोई बताएगा तो हम तुमको थोड़े बहुत पॉइंट्स दे सकते हैं. कोई टीम से आएगा? पास नहीं करेंगे इसको, नहीं तो फिर तो कोई बता देगा. ये न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. कैन यू डू इट विदाउट मुस्कान, कैन यू डू इट विदाउट द टाइम लिमिट? कैन यू से इट नाउ?
Yes.
बोलो.
It states the rate of change of momentum of an object that is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction
Correct.
of force.
ओके, दिखाओ डेफिनेशन दिखाओ.
Yeah.
Say that the acceleration produced by a net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of net force in the same line of force and is inertially proportional to the mass of the object. Actually, this is not the correct definition, but what she said is towards the correct this thing. But वो time पे नहीं आया, so we can't give you points. ठीक है, चलो next.
Okay. Next is
Damn, पीछे
Puneet.
करो. हाँ, पुनीत, चलो start.
Ma'am, 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains same number of particles as there are exactly in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope.
वो नंबर भी बोल दो,
Okay.
नंबर.
Oh, number
हाँ.
is no number. It contains the
अरे.
same number of particles.
Yeah, that's right. What he said is right.
Okay. Cool. ठीक
It's
है.
a very correct explanation that he gave.
Awesome. So he gets full points. Awesome.
Yes.
Brilliant. He revived. All right. ठीक है.
Okay.
Next.
Next is Vasudha. Ready? Okay.
No, but go पीछे. So just a second. यार तो तुम लोग को नहीं पढ़ाया नंबर कि एक मोल, किसी भी एक मोल में कितना होता है?
Avogadro's
Sir,
number. That you know.
Avogadro's number
So what
6.02
is that
into
number?
10 to power 23.
23, right? So then why would you not write it in the definition? You should write it in the definition, right? कि एक मोल में इतने होने चाहिए and that is equal to these many particles. That's a very important number that you should have these many. अभी कोई पूछेगा तुमको एक मोल ऑफ कार्बन में कितने, तो ये थोड़ी लिखोगे जितने 12 में, तुम लिखोगे 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, right? So that number is very important. You should say it.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Vasudha, start. What? Start. Time over. Okay, who wants to take it? Next person, quickly दे दो उसको, next person को.
Sir, can I answer?
Raghav. Yeah.
हाँ, राघव टंडन, चलो फटाक से.
Universal gravitational constant is the force between two objects with a unit distance between them.
Nope, wrong.
It's half correct.
Wait. So who will tell me what is wrong in it? Next कौन था?
Next Atharva again.
नहीं, वो थी ना मुस्कान को नहीं मिला था एक बार. तो
नहीं,
फिर
नहीं.
हाँ, अतर को पूछ लेते हैं. चलो ठीक है. What is wrong in
Yeah,
it?
so it is the wrong. It is the gravitational force between two objects of mass
उसने क्या गलत
separated by
बोला?
a
उसने
distance.
गलत क्या बोला? Tell me that. What wrong did he say?
Gravitational force, I think he didn't include.
Nope. He
Two
said force
objects
between
having
two
mass.
objects.
I didn't say mass. I didn't say mass
say-
of the objects.
Yes, yeah, but तुम्हारा time खत्म हो गया भाई. You cannot answer now. We are asking others. ठीक है. So he did not say mass of 1 kg. All right. So that's where he loses it. Cool. Lost. So the only person who gave correct definition the whole thing was Puneet, which is sad man.
अभी राघव का चांस है.
राघव का गया ना चांस?
नहीं, राघव को पास ऑन हो गया ना वसुधा का.
Oh, was it pass on? अच्छा. Okay. ठीक है, चलो.
So Raghav can redeem himself in the next one. Let's see if he can.
Okay.
All right, ready, Raghav? I hope you're not using Google or anything, Niche.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So this was the definition. And okay, this is for Raghav.
A colloid is a homogeneous colloid is a heterogeneous mixture wherein the particles are solute particles are not completely mixed in the solvent, but appears to be homogeneous because the particles are too small to be seen through the naked eye.
I'm not sure if that is a definition. It's more of an explanation.
दिखाओ,
Anybody else wants to
दिखाओ.
try?
नहीं, show that definition. Let's see. अच्छा, so that's the definition, Raghav. Right?
It's intermediate between the true solutions and those of the suspension.
Because what you said was very qualitative. Huh?
Textbook there is a different definition.
Yeah, it is
What is the
given. It
definition?
is actually heterogeneous mixture, but looks like homogeneous because the particles are uniformly spread throughout the solution.
So I wrote this in the exam. I got full marks.
It looks like homogeneous. What exactly did you say, Raghav? Say it again.
Sir, it's a heterogeneous mixture, but the solute particles are not completely mixed in the solvent, and the particles are too small to be seen. Thus, it can be said it can be confused to be said it's a homogeneous mixture.
No, so the one thing which was scientifically extremely wrong was that it's not completely mixed. It is mixed. So that definition is wrong. You cannot say it's not completely mixed. It is mixed. ये sugar थोड़ी बोल रहा हूँ कि अच्छे से घुला नहीं है, तो colloid हो जाएगा. So that's
and
wrong
basically,
definition.
colloid is defined by the size of the solute particles, which is intermediate. It's not a solution and it's not a suspension. That's what it is. That's how we define it.
Okay, so जो तुम्हारे बुक में लिखा है वो भी साइज ही बता रहा है ना एक तरीके से. वो बोल रहा है कि एक सोल्यूशन जहाँ पे जो इसकी तरह भी ना देखिए उसकी तरह भी ना देखिए, सेइंग के बीच वाला ये. राइट, ओके, हो गया डेफिनेशन खत्म.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Now the next round is identify the mistake round. In this,
Oh,
the
this
first
is going to be
category
exciting.
is diagram category. So everybody is going to have one diagram to identify the error. In that, then the next is the definition category, and next is the formula category. Okay,
Right.
so we'll
Everybody
start
can
with the
come
diagram.
on audio and video. The participants, all of you can come on audio and video. Now here at this time, I want to ask the audience. Audience में से किसी को खेलना है? We have some audience questions also. अभी तक जो भी rounds हुए हैं, we can play with audience also. किसी को खेलना है तो chat पे बोलो. जो सबसे पहले बोलेगा उसको option मिलेगा खेलने का. I'll give you 5 seconds. Chat पे बोलो कि मुझे खेलना है, and I'll give you a chance to play this. Everybody who's in the audience, you can play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Mansi has said it, and someone has raised his hand. Who is that person? दिख नहीं रहा मुझे किसने. अच्छा, हटा दिया. चलो, Mansi, come in.
Yes, sir.
Can't see you.
Just a second.
Right. So अभी हमने definition round खेला. So Ridhima, give one definition to Mansi and 20 seconds.
Okay, one definition.
Okay, one definition.
Yeah.
1 second. I will ask you.
Or if you don't have, then I can give it.
I have. Yeah. So Mansi, can you state the principle of conservation of momentum?
The principle or the law?
Principle.
In a okay. In a chemical reaction, mass can neither be destroyed nor be created.
What? Momentum.
Momentum, not energy.
Oh, momentum. Okay.
And
Go
also
ahead.
your voice is also breaking a bit.
Go ahead now. Do it. Conservation of momentum. Define.
The law of conservation of momentum states that
Okay, who wants to take a shot here?
okay, I don't
Out of these 5 people.
I can.
Only one person, Puneet. No one else. Okay, Puneet, go
Sir,
ahead. Can
The
I?
law of conservation of momentum states that the momentum of a system of objects remains conserved before and after their collision, provided that there is no external force acting on them. That
Brilliant. Very good.
Correct.
UA
Very
plus
nice.
MBUT.
Very good. Very good. So Puneet gets it, but there's no point for it. Only Puneet gets clapping.
It's a clap.
All right. Okay. I'll give you another definition question. So this is for anyone. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. ये थोड़ा open round हो गया. ठीक है. So anybody who wants to answer can answer. But जिसको पहले answer करना है, they have to put it on the chat. जिसको भी पहले answer करना है, they have to put it on the chat and then immediately say the name of that particular person, and then they have to respond. ठीक है. Get it? Huh? Everyone ready?
We can also do, right?
Huh? Kya? What?
We can also do, right?
Yeah. तुम ही को ही बोल रहे हैं. तुम्हारे लिए. It's for all the people.
Oh.
So I'm saying you guys can now put it on the chat saying that I want to answer, or you can just put a dot. जिसका भी पहले dot आएगा मैं उसको बोलूँगा. You can now do this. ठीक है? आ रहा है समझ में? हाँ? Give me some sound.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. ठीक है. So here's the question. Define inertia. Raghav said first, then Atharv. Okay. चलो राघव. चालू जाओ फटाफट.
So inertia is the tendency of an object to resist any change in motion or rest, in the state of motion or rest.
Part correct, part wrong. Atharv Mohite.
Yes, the inertia is the tendency or the ability of an object to resist any change in its state of motion of uniform velocity or of rest. It is also the measure of the mass of an object.
Not the measure of the mass.
Mass is the measure of inertia.
हाँ. उल्टा बोल दिया ना
वैसे, उल्टा बोल दिया.
So it's not the measure. It's due to the mass. It's because of the mass that this happens. Right. So it resists the change in motion or its shape due to its mass. All right. Cool. So that would be the case. So ठीक है. अतर को दिया point पे 10 points. ठीक है. Next, organ open to all. You can just put it on this. ठीक है. Actually नहीं. अतर को मिलेगा 5 points because first Raghav said, and then it came to you. So you'll get 5 points. So Atharv को 5 points मिलेगा. Mamta. All right. Ridhima, you want to give any open definition for biology?
Yeah, I can. Okay. So define endosmosis.
So Puneet Sachdev said first, then Atharv said, then Vasudha said. Okay, Puneet.
So endosmosis is the entry of water molecules into the cell through a semi-permeable plasma membrane when surrounded by a hypotonic medium.
Very good. Excellent.
10 points. All right. Now the final question, final definition for, for an open round.
Open
तो
round.
कौन से उससे लें, कौन से subject से? Chemistry से? Our chemistry teacher is not here.
I can give from bio.
Okay. और if you have
Bio
any
में तो
questions,
भर के definitions है ना.
हाँ तो
you
ठीक
guys
है.
can-
Bio का दे दो चलो. Okay.
Okay. So Okay. Define hypertonic solution.
First Puneet, then Athar. Chalo.
Me, right?
Yeah.
So hypertonic solution is a solution with a higher solution concentration than the ones is compared with. In this solution, usually the cell will shrink or it will give out water.
Okay, not complete. I mean, it's
Okay,
it's correct conceptually, but it's not a definition.
Athar Mohite, next.
A solution that has the higher solution concentration to the one to which it is compared.
Okay.
Hypertonic था ना, हाँ.
Okay. So
that's
somewhat similar definitions both of you gave.
Vasudha, next. Yeah, Vasudha. What are you doing, Vasudha? Vasudha.
Muted है वो.
नहीं, muted नहीं है वो. हाँ, muted है. Ask to unmute.
हाँ.
But why muted? यहाँ तो मैंने ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है म्यूट करने का, जो भी करना है.
Okay, yeah, now she's unmuted. Yes, tell.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
So, sir, a hypertonic solution is the one with the highest solute concentration outside the cell than inside. So inside it's low and outside it's more. So if a cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, it will shrink due to osmosis moving out, and the outside solution is more, so that's why it will shrink.
Okay, so too much of a detailed answer. Yes, all three of you gave the definition half, like correct. It was correct, obviously, but it was not complete. So hypertonic solution will have higher solute concentration as compared to the cell environment, right? So that word is very important because we are talking in biology. It's not like just a definition, right? So you have to say it with the cell environment. So wo word
Because
बहुत
in the
important
notes it was given like this.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Other solutions in book.
हाँ तो पर मैंने पढ़ाया ना. तो हाँ.
Chalo, next round. So identify the mistake.
Okay, so we start with Atharva again. So this is
Yeah.
the diagram round. Okay, so I'll just tell you what all things you have to look out for. It's not just the diagram. See all the text that you also see on the screen, whatever, and then you have to identify the mistake.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So the first thing goes to Atharva. Yeah. The above picture is a diagram of the animal cell. Find the error.
So what is the time that you have to give? 20?
20 seconds. 10 seconds actually. पर चलो 20 इनको देखने में टाइम लगता है थोड़ा.
Gayatri has given an answer. Mansi has given an answer.
Vacuole should
I'm
be
over.
a bit bigger.
No, it's wrong. Anybody else wants to try?
Okay, next. Okay. So
So
सबसे पहले हाथ
Atharva
उठाया
gave the
था
wrong
वसुधा ने.
answer. Okay.
चलो ठीक है, pass on करते हैं. So go to Puneet then for next. Yeah,
Next
whoever
is
was the
actually-
next.
Okay,
Next is
okay, I
Muskan.
got it right now.
No,
अभी
don't
क्या
answer right
type?
now.
Okay.
Who's the next person?
Muskan. Yeah, Muskan.
Actually, you know what, Ridhima?
Hmm.
We should just see the chat. क्योंकि अभी उसने नहीं दिया, धर्म नहीं दिया, but इसमें बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर दिया है चैट में. So वो जिस भी टीम के उस टीम को दे दो आंसर. पास करने से क्या मतलब है? So I'll tell you who gave. Mansi said chloroplast. Is that correct?
Yes, because animal cells do not have chloroplast and it was there.
Brilliant.
Right
So
there.
Mansi, then you got the correct answer. So उसको 5 point उसकी टीम को. Mitochondria gets 5 points.
Okay. All right. Next is Muskan. Okay, Muskan, you have to see. Ready? Okay.
So easy. Muskan, what are you doing? Time over.
A. A gram is
Huh?
not possible. A gram
Wait.
is not possible.
Why?
Speed goes down.
So?
Velocity.
Huh? What? Why is it not possible?
Polo,
Somebody
you
say,
said it.
somebody is giving her the answer. Somebody is sending her the answer. Huh? Why is it not possible? Molly. Molly. Anyway, so on the chat, I can see the first correct answer was by Puneet.
अच्छा पुनीत ने चैट में आंसर दिया.
हाँ बहुत सारे लोगों ने दिया है. पुनीत, मानसी, नाइत्री, राघव.
Can I tell the explanation?
अथर्व, नाइत्री. नहीं, नाइत्री ने बोला B is not possible. Why नाइत्री? B क्यों नहीं पॉसिबल है? एनीवे, सो पहला आंसर जिसने दिया था सही वो है पुनीत, सो ही गेट्स 5 पॉइंट्स. द रीजन फॉर दिस इज बिकॉज, बताओ पुनीत, बताओ.
Because speed is nothing but distance by time, and as we know that distance cannot be zero. I mean, cannot be less than zero for a moving object. So here it is shown that it is in negative direction. That is wrong.
This
It should
direction.
always be in positive.
एक मिनट,
Negative or
पीछे जाओ ना, पीछे जाओ ना. हाँ, ये this direction, right?
towards the y-axis. Yeah.
So पुनीत का मार्क्स जो हमने दिया था उसको काट लो वापस, उसको गलत मिल गए मार्क्स. रीजनिंग गलत है. बताता हूँ.
Bro, but he said ना.
Who can give? नहीं, गलत है वो. Who? अतर मोहिते, come in.
Speed is a scalar quantity, so it cannot be negative.
So this downward direction should not be this.
Which one, sir?
This,
I cannot
this one.
see your arrow.
Oh, acha, you cannot see my arrow. The downward slope. Puneet was saying that it cannot keep going down. It cannot go in downward direction.
It can go down and touch the axis, but it cannot go below that.
Correct, exactly. So Puneet, the thing that you were saying wrong is that ये जो slope है ये low हो सकता है. It can go like this, then it can go like this. Speed को कम होने में कोई problem नहीं है. But speed cannot go in negative. Get it? हाँ?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
आया समझ में?
हाँ.
तो अतर को दे दो 5 points.
Okay. So yeah, speed cannot be negative. Okay, now it is actually Puneet's chance, right? So ready? Okay, so the figure above, or rather figure side में, is a diagrammatic representation of involuntary muscles. Is the diagram correct? If not, identify the error. It's so easy.
Oh, this is about involuntary, right?
Yes.
They have given in the. Oh, wait a second. It is. So nuclei. Yeah, I guess it is of smooth. Sorry, the first one was a striated one.
Okay, so what is the mistake then?
They are joined together because an involuntary muscles is given, so they should have that cardiac muscles should have that thing like they had the diagram is wrong. They are cellular and branched.
Very good. Very good. So basically the diagram itself, if they are saying it is involuntary, and but the diagram is of what?
The first one, striated ones.
Okay, striated and और उसका क्या नाम है?
Skeletal.
Okay, very good. Yeah, so basically
awesome.
it's smooth muscles do not have striations, but it had striations, so it's striated muscles. Wrong, गलती उसका labeling था. ठीक है. Next one is Vasudha. Ready? Okay.
Time started. बताओ क्या गलत है इसमें? वसुधा? हाँ
Sir, I was saying I couldn't. Yeah, I forgot.
हाँ.
Sir, KE and PE is in the wrong place.
Why is it in wrong? ऊपर देख के बताओ. What happened? Why is it wrong?
So, sir, KE वहाँ sir MGH के बगल में जो वो है वहाँ होना चाहिए और PE should be this line.
But why? What? Why? Give me a reason. Yeah. अरे बताओ ना. Is somebody sending you an answer or something? Then if you said it should be interchange, then कहाँ interchange होके क्यों होना चाहिए? क्या होना चाहिए बताओ?
Sir, I'm saying the location. Did you get where I'm saying?
Give the annotation option to Vasudha.
Okay. Can I
Okay.
do that?
Yeah, fine. I mean, yeah, you can give her the option, but you can also just do. Where screen में देख के बताओ वसुधा, where the cursor is, बताओ कहाँ पे करना है?
Sir, मुझे नहीं मिला वैसे.
नहीं इधर
Sir,
ये she is doing ना cursor. Can you see the cursor? Ridhima's cursor.
Yes, sir. Sir, जहाँ KE है वहाँ पे PE होना चाहिए.
हाँ
और उसके ऊपर जो वो स्लैंटिंग लाइन आ रही है जस्ट ऊपर. हाँ, यहाँ पे KE होना चाहिए.
KE होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, that should be KE.
So you're saying this is KE and this is P,
Yeah,
like that?
Yeah.
But why? My question is why? Huh?
Sir, is it because potential energy decreases in height?
Is it because नहीं तुमने बोला change होना चाहिए तो I'm asking you why should it change?
Sir, I know that so for KE, I know that it increases with decrease in height, but I don't know about PE. I'm confused. So can you hear me? Am I audible?
I can hear you,
Yeah.
but I need an answer from you. Tell me why you're saying what you're saying.
KE, okay, I'll say it. So KE उधर होना चाहिए because it increases with decrease in the height.
So height अभी left से right जा रहे हैं हम तो height increase हो रही है कि decrease हो रही है?
Sir, height decrease हो रही है.
नहीं height zero थी ना, left में zero है. भाई वो जो y axis है वो energy है, वो height नहीं है. Y axis is not height. Height तो नीचे दिया हुआ है. So as you're going towards the right, your height is increasing, which means that you did not analyze the graph only. तो फिर आंसर देने का कोई मतलब नहीं हुआ.
Sir, can I answer?
वसुधा को हम 30 सेकंड्स और दे रहे हैं ट्राई करने के लिए. एक्चुअली 10 सेकंड और दे रहे हैं. बनेगा तो बोलो, नहीं बनेगा तो फिर पास. ओके चलो नेक्स्ट पर्सन. हु इज द नेक्स्ट पर्सन जिसने पहले बोला था? पुनीत ने दिया था इधर.
Should I answer it?
नहीं, Puneet has to answer because he gave on the chat. No? So anybody who's answered in the chat, I'll give the option.
Yeah, so sir, as she pointed out, they should be interchanged because sir, we know at height when it is 0, potential energy will be 0, and as it goes up, as height increases, it will keep on increasing, whereas at 0 height, or when height is very minimum, velocity of the object is greater, so kinetic energy will also be great, but at the maximum height velocity is 0, so kinetic energy is 0.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हाइट हमने एक्स एक्सिस पे डाल दिया. तो जैसे 0 हाइट है तो वहां पे 0 हाइट पे क्या ज्यादा होगा वसुधा? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0 हाइट पे? वसुधा, जब हाइट 0 होती है तो क्या ज्यादा होगी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की काइनेटिक एनर्जी? वसुधा,
The
पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज mgh। अगर हाइट 0 है तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी तो 0 हो गई ना। ये देखो यहाँ पे अगर मैंने इसको यहाँ पेन के इसको रखा यहाँ पे, तो अभी हाइट है इसकी कुछ, और ये गिरेगा तो हाइट कम होके 0 हो जाएगी यहाँ पे 0। तो यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी 0 है, लेकिन अगर मैं इसको ऐसे छोड़ूंगा तो जब पूरा नीचे पहुंचेगा, जैसे ही उसके पास सबसे ज्यादा वेलोसिटी होगी ना, तो नीचे हाइट 0 होगा, तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी सबसे ज्यादा होगी। और जहाँ पे हाइट सबसे ज्यादा है वहां पे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी सबसे ज्यादा है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0 है, राइट। तो यहाँ पे हाइट 0 कहाँ पे है, लेफ्ट, यहाँ पे 0 है हाइट, है ना। तो वहां पे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जो है वो 0 होगी और काइनेटिक एनर्जी मैक्सिमम होगी। तो ग्राफ को अच्छे से एनालाइज करके देखना। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। पुनीत को 5 पॉइंट्स।
All right. Next is Raghav. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Yeah.
Answer now.
So starch solution is wrong because I think starch solution is a colloid, so it should be scattering light, whereas it's shown that it's not scattering light.
Yes.
And what about copper sulfate?
Copper sulfate is a true solution, right? So it should not be light should. Yeah, it's a solution, so the light will pass through, it will not scatter. It's true. Only starch solution will come.
Okay. Show the answer.
Yeah.
Correct. ठीक है। तो कायदे से उल्टा होना चाहिए था उसको, है ना।
Yeah.
ठीक है। All right. So he gets.
All right.
Raghav gets 10 points.
Next is we are going to the definitions. This thing. Find out the mistake in the definition. So be very, very, vigilant. So
now, here's the question. No. So here, my point is, are we going to make it open to all, or should we go one by one? I think we should make it open to all.
Okay.
So जिसको आंसर देना वो चैट पे आके बोल दे। जो सबसे पहले बोलेगा उसको हम ऑप्शन देंगे, और अगर गलत दिया, जो पहले बोल के गलत दिया, तो उसके -2 हो जाएंगे उस टीम के। ठीक है।
So we will do one thing. I mean, anyway after this there was the audience round, so we can make this only as the audience round. And
yeah.
till now,
this can be audience and these people, everybody together. Whoever wants to answer has to put it on the chat. Whoever says pehle on the chat, I'll give them the option to answer. And if your answer is wrong, you get -2. If your answer is correct, you get +10. ठीक है? चलो, everybody ready? Be on the chat. फटाक से एक डॉट भेज देना, और जैसी डॉट आएगा, I'll give you the option to answer. चलो, identify the problem or the mistake in the definition. Okay, Puneet Sajdev, first person. बोलो, फटाक से.
Sir, answer wrong is solvent particles. It should be solute particles.
Brilliant. Awesome. So he gets +10. Brilliant. +10. Next question. Wait, मानसी के बाद हमें देखना. Okay. चलो.
So you have to point the mistake in the definition.
चलो. So Atharva.
It should be lower solute concentration.
Okay. Very good.
+10. Okay. अब जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आने वाला उसके लिए तुम्हें मुझे 3 डॉट्स भेजने, ठीक है। या एक्चुअली डॉट भी मजे, इसके लिए तुम्हें मुझे कैपिटल L भेजना है, सो दैट आई कैन डिस्टिंग्विश कि कौन सा किस आंसर में। कैपिटल L भेजना मुझे, ठीक है। चलो, सो इफ यू वांट टू आंसर यू हैव टू सेंड कैपिटल L। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स इन एट 3 2, 1, go. Naitrisha, come in.
Yes, tendons don't connect bone to bone. Tendons connect bone to muscle.
Very good.
Okay. Wow, very nice. So here Naitrisha gets the point. So Naitrisha, which team are you in? उसको फिर हम लोग point
Whirlwinds.
देंगे.
Sir,
हाँ?
whirlwinds.
Okay, Whirlwinds. So
Whirlwinds.
Whirlwinds को plus 10 points. ठीक है? Okay. Next question के लिए capital A भेजना तुम्हें. ठीक है? Capital A.
Ready?
3,
Should I?
2, 1, go. I'm still waiting for people. अभी तक किसी ने नहीं दिया. किसी को समझ में नहीं आया क्या गलत है. तो राघव ने बहुत पहले बोल दिया था और उसके बाद बहुत देर के बाद अतर ने बोला और किसी ने नहीं बोला. तो चलो राघव, come in. This seems like a tough question.
Is it uniform velocity? I wanted to take that A back.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता.
जोश में आ गया.
-2 हो गया राघव का. अतर मोहित है, come in.
Yeah, an object at rest remains at rest, or if in motion remains in motion at constant velocity, unless acted like
Very good.
it should not be acted upon by an external.
Correct. अतर मोहित gets +10. जब एक्ट करेगा तो फिर कैसे सेम रेस्ट पे रहेगा, सेम मोशन पे रहेगा. इट शुड नॉट बी एक्टेड अपॉन अनलेस एंड अनटिल इट इज एक्टेड अपॉन बाय अ नेट एक्सटर्नल फोर्स. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम लोग के डेफिनेशंस खराब हैं न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन के. यू गाइस नीड टू रियली प्रैक्टिस इट. डेफिनेशन नहीं है, बेसिक. ठीक है. सिर्फ 2 लोगों ने दिया था, राघव और अतर, और राघव का -2 हो गया. ठीक है, चलो. नाउ यू हैव टू गिव मी W. So W for the next question. W, give me W. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So first person is Puneet, then Athar. Chalo Puneet.
So it is defined as the acceleration of a body falling on Earth due to the gravitational pull of the Earth.
Yes, that's right.
Correct. Brilliant. So +10. See, due to वही गलत था. Very nice, very good. ठीक है. So पुनीत ने भेजा था, अथर, नैत्री, राघव, इन लोगों ने भेजा था. बाकी लोग भी आओ, पार्टिसिपेट करो यार. जो लोग ऑडियंस में है, they can participate. I'm saying it again and again. If you are in the audience, you can participate and you will get the point. All right. Okay. Now for the next question, you have to give T. So पहले A किया, फिर
Next
W किया, फिर
question
T
we
किया.
have formulae. So the definition
Identify.
mistake is done. Now we
हाँ,
have
तो
the
identify
mistake in the
mistake in
formulae.
formulae. चलो ठीक है.
So formulae can be chemistry or physics. So yeah. Okay.
So for the next question, you have to give me T. All right, T. TWA का T. तो A हो गया, W हो गया, अब T. All right. So 3, 2, 1, go. Raghav.
Sir, the valency of NO3 minus is 1 and not 2. So it should be Cu NO3 whole twice. If you take copper as copper ka valency as 2.
If you take
Okay,
copper का valency as 2. If you are not taking it as 2, तो फिर
Ma'am, it has a variable valency, so it has 2
No,
valency.
but nitrate है ना, इधर nitrate है. So copper nitrate बोला है इसने. ठीक है. तो finally बताओ copper nitrate का क्या फॉर्मूला है?
Cu NO3 whole twice.
पक्का यही बोला तुमने?
CuNO3. हाँ, ये यहाँ पे गलत दिया है. CuNO3 है.
हाँ, CuNO3 whole twice. तो राघव gets it right. ठीक है. चलो, राघव gets it right. Give him 10 points. Okay. Next question के लिए मुझे दो Y. Capital Y. ठीक है. चलो. 3, 2, 1, go.
ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी है. कम ऑन, बेसिकली मोलार मास का क्या आएगा?
Only two people have written till now, Naitri and Puneet, but I'll still give some time to you guys. लिख लो और किस किस को आता है ताकि पता चले कि आता है. Okay, come Naitri, tell me.
I think number of ions equal to molar mass upon Avogadro number into given mass.
Should I show?
No. So Naitri, see the formula that you were saying, उसमें एक बहुत major mistake तो units की है. तुमने बोला number of ions equals to molar mass upon Avogadro's number into given mass. तो mass into mass हो रहा है ना? Okay, Puneet Sachdev.
Yeah. Okay.
So number of
mass
ions will be equal to given mass by molar mass into Avogadro's number.
ठीक है, तो मास कैंसिल होएगा और फिर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके नंबर ही निकालो, तो ये फिर भी यूनिट वाइज सही लग रहा है. ठीक है, तो इसने बोला क्या बोला? गिवन अपॉन मोलार इनटू एवोगाड्रो.
That's correct.
ठीक है, ब्रिलियंट. सो यू गेट, सो नाइट्री के -2 हो गए, पुनीत के +10 हो गए.
But both are on the same team, so it's okay.
ओह तो फिर 8 हुए ना फिर. तो -2 हो गए नाइट्री के और +2 हो गए, +10 हो गए पुनीत के. चलो, ऑल राइट. फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू गिव मी M, कैपिटल M. ऑल राइट, 3, 2, 1, गो. M, give me M. आसान है यार, एकदम स्प्लिट सेकंड के डिफरेंस पे अथर्व और मोहित ने मैसेज किया है, फिर नाइत्री भी आई है अभी. ठीक है अथर्व, गो अहेड.
Small g should be equal to gm upon r square.
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे
Is
नहीं,
it
एक
right,
मिनट, तो
Louis?
क्या यहाँ पे क्या गलत क्या इसमें, तो बताओ. कैपिटल G अपॉन
So
व्हाट, क्या
capital and like it should be acceleration due to gravity is equals to gm upon r square.
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है.
ये तो
तो
पूरा गलत दिया.
इसमें क्या करें, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में G के साथ क्या लिखें? G कैपिटल M अपॉन R स्क्वायर इक्वल टू स्मॉल g, ऐसा कर दें.
Yeah.
ठीक है, करेक्ट. तो अथर्व मोहित गॉट इट राइट. नेक्स्ट, एक मिनट, तो पीछे आओ. ओके, सो फॉर दिस यू हैव टू गिव मी, अब क्या आएगा बताओ. नेक्स्ट M के बाद, कैपिटल M के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? क्या मांगू?
R.
नहीं, कोई पैटर्न चल रहा है ना. अभी मैंने पहले A बोला, फिर W बोला, फिर T बोला, अब मैं Y बोला, फिर M बोला, तो अब क्या आएगा नेक्स्ट?
A.
हाँ,
A.
A क्यों? A क्यों आएगा?
Not A. A.
E, हाँ E आएगा, करेक्ट. क्योंकि AWT, वो TWA का उल्टा हुआ ना, AWT. फिर बोला Y, फिर क्या बोला M, एकेडमी का YM, तो अब आएगा E. ठीक है, सो गिव मी अ कैपिटल E. चलो, 3, 2, 1, गो. ओके, ठीक है. पुनीत ने पहले बोला E, सो पुनीत कम इन.
Yeah, so average velocity is changing uniformly, so it will be u plus v by t, initial plus final by time taken.
बट ये फॉर्मूला गलत है. टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट और टोटल टाइम.
If it because it is given uniformly, if velocity changes uniformly, that's why. If it was not given, then this was also correct.
नहीं, अभी अगर दिया हुआ है तो ये फॉर्मूला नहीं लगा सकते क्या?
नहीं, क्योंकि चेंज हो रहा है ना इसके लिए.
बट क्या चेंज हो रहा है?
v velocity, तो
हाँ, तो भी
डिस्प्लेसमेंट
चेंज
भी
हो
उसका
रहा है ना. हमें
चेंज
तो
हो रहा है.
टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट टोटल टाइम चाहिए. तो ये फॉर्मूला
No,
हमेशा
PDT
लगा सकते हैं. This is not a problem. Average velocity equals to total displacement upon total time irrespective. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो वो वाला फॉर्मूला हमेशा नहीं लगा सकते. वो वाला फॉर्मूला तभी लगा सकते हैं जब वेलोसिटी यूनिफॉर्मली चेंज हो रही है. बट ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूनिवर्सल है. दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल डेफिनेशन. सो कायदे से ये गलत नहीं है. बट देन व्हाट यू सेड इज आल्सो करेक्ट. तो ठीक है, उसको +10 दे दो. जो पढ़ाया था हमने वही है के साथ. बट यू गेटिंग इट राइट, क्योंकि तुमने पहले भी वाला मिस्टेक किया था एवरेज वेलोसिटी वाला इसमें. सो द पॉइंट इज एवरेज वेलोसिटी का मतलब यही होता है टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टोटल टाइम. अब टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टोटल टाइम कैन बी इक्वल टू u + v/t इफ u and v have changed uniformly during that t time. ठीक है? पर अगर यूनिफॉर्मली नहीं चेंज हो रहे हैं तो हमको सिर्फ ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाना है. तो दिस इज यूनिवर्सल फॉर्मूला. चलो, तो उसको +10 मिला. बाकियों के लिए भी दे शुड ऑल बी, यू नो, व्हाटएवर वी एक्सप्लेनिंग इज आल्सो गुड लेसन फॉर यू गाइस. चलो, नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू गिव मी व्हाट. क्या दोगे? कैपिटल डी.
D.
करेक्ट. सो कैपिटल डी देना मुझे. 3 2 1 गो. Okay, so many people. So again, Puneet has given the first. क्यों पुनीत ही पहले डी क्यों लिख रहा? तुम लोग डी दबा के रखो ना भाई, इतना आसान तो है. अथर तो एकदम जस्ट उसके बाद में आता है. इंटरनेट स्लो है क्या तुम्हारा? चलो, पुनीत से बोलो.
So mechanical energy will be half mv² plus mgh.
करेक्ट. ठीक है, +10. चलो, अब तुम मुझे दोगे.
Now this
A.
is the official audience round.
ओके, इसमें क्या आएगा ऑडियंस राउंड में?
So there are 5 questions that we have put. It's a mix of just MCQs, or it can be an assertion reasoning, or mostly there are
Okay.
MCQs only.
ठीक है.
We can also take part, right?
Yeah, you can also take part, but here's my question to everyone. जिन जिन को खेलना है वो अपना अपना हाथ उठाओ. ऑडियंस में से जिन जिन को खेलना है वो हाथ उठाओ, so that we know if you guys are interested in playing. Okay, अतर, पुनीत, मैत्री, वसुधा, मौली, मानसी, अनिर्बान. ठीक है, ये लोग हैं. ठीक है, तो सिंस बहुत देर से अथर्व और पुनीत को ही चांस मिल रहा है, तो अभी अथर्व और पुनीत को हमने ब्लैक लिस्ट कर दिया अगले 4 क्वेश्चंस के लिए. ठीक है?
अयो
तो
बेचारे.
for 4
तो 5 ही
क्वेश्चंस
क्वेश्चंस अभी बचे
तो है
हैं.
ना.
5 क्वेश्चंस है, तो 3 क्वेश्चंस के लिए उनको हटा दो. ठीक है? तो फॉर 3 क्वेश्चंस, इवन इफ अथर्व एंड पुनीत गिव द दिस थिंग हियर, मैं उनका नाम नहीं लूंगा. तो यू गाइस कैन पार्टिसिपेट. अथर्व एंड पुनीत, यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट बाय सेंडिंग मी द लेटर. अगर किसी का नहीं आया रिस्पॉन्स तो आई विल कम टू यू, अदरवाइज आई वोंट कम टू यू. ठीक है? सो एवरीवन एल्स बी रेडी for all 5 questions. In fact, for all 5 questions, these two are blacklisted. For all 5 questions you get a chance. अब तुम्हें मुझे देना है A. So अगर तुमको आंसर देना है तो कैपिटल A दोगे तुम. ठीक है? यहाँ पे जैसे तुम मुझे, हाँ बोलो.
हमारे टीम में से किसी ने हैंड रेज किया ही नहीं है तो.
नहीं, आई थिंक अथर्व शुड गेट, बिकॉज उसको वो
No, sir,
लेटर
I have
भेजा तो
raised.
उसको चांस नहीं मिल रहा बेचारे
हाँ,
को.
एक्चुअली हाँ, सही बात है. तो अभी तक तो पुनीत को ही मिल रहा था. करेक्ट. और उसकी टीम में से किसी ने रेज नहीं किया. नहीं तो यू नॉमिनेट समबडी फ्रॉम योर टीम.
No, sir, I have raised.
कौन?
हाँ, अनिर्बान
अनिर्बान ने किया ना. ठीक है, तो 3 क्वेश्चंस के लिए हम देंगे. कोई बात नहीं, देखते हैं. That's why I'm saying कि अगर तुम दोनों को पार्टिसिपेट करना है, यू कैन पुट योर आंसर्स हियर. हम देखेंगे बाद में, मतलब वो अपना लेटर दे देना. ठीक है? तो अब लेटर चल रहा है कैपिटल ए. जिसको पार्टिसिपेट करना हो कैपिटल ए देगा. ठीक है? लोअर ऑल हैंड्स. अभी क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, आराम से समझो. गलत आंसर दोगे -2 होगा. ठीक है? तो टेक योर टाइम, गिव द आंसर करेक्टली. 3 2 1 गो.
Which
आंसर देना है तो लेटर
pigment
ए
is
भेजो.
present in cough tissue and epidermis respectively?
सिर्फ पुनीत ने भेजा अभी तक. सिर्फ पुनीत ने. अथर्व ने भेजा अभी. अब नेक्स्ट और कौन भेज रहा है? नहीं अभी आने दो ना और लोगों का. गिव. आंसर ही नहीं पता तुम लोग को. मौली का आया, अभी वसुधा का आया. फिर राघव का आया. ठीक है. So अतर, give your answer.
Yes, sir. Cough tissue is suberin and epidermis is cutin.
Very good.
Awesome. +10 to Athar. All right. ठीक है. तो ऐसा करते हैं कि जो आंसर जिसने दे दिया उसको फिर हटा देते. तो अब अथर के नॉट पार्टिसिपेट. मतलब तुम कर लो पार्टिसिपेट, मैं तुम्हारा नाम नहीं दूंगा. ठीक है. चलो पार्टिसिपेट कर लो तो उससे पता चलेगा. इससे पहले पुनीत ने दिया था, अभी अथर ने दिया. ओके. अब लेटर चल रहा है सी. कैपिटल सी. गिव मी अ कैपिटल सी इफ यू वांट टू आंसर. ठीक है. 3 2 1 गो. So first C came from Raghav, then Puneet, then Molly. So Raghav, go ahead.
Sir, I feel it's A because atoms can exist independently.
Atoms can independently. Okay, Molly, come in.
Sir, atoms are the smallest individual particles. It can exist independently. So the answer is A.
Nope.
Okay.
Anyone
Naitri.
else?
Sir, I think option C, because atoms are not always neutral.
हाँ.
तो क्या होते हैं फिर एटम्स में? उसमें सेम प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन. अगर
Atoms
न्यूट्रल
are
होंगे तो
obviously
आयन हो
neutral.
जाएंगे ना.
हाँ, वो तो आयन हो जाएंगे.
ओके. मानसी.
So I guess it's option B.
Okay.
क्या है?
What is the
Atoms aggregate
explanation?
in large numbers to form a matter that we can see, feel or touch.
Okay. What is the reason for your answer, Mansi?
Obviously, like I'm not saying D, I'm saying B.
B.
B. Oh,
B
okay.
for
Atoms are
box.
basic units from which molecules and ions are formed. You say not true है.
Yeah.
So किससे बनते हैं फिर मॉलिक्यूल और आयंस? अगर एटम से नहीं बनते हैं तो.
Sir,
हाँ.
I answered first, like I said, A is the answer because
हाँ तो हाँ.
if we take helium, it exists independently. B, atoms makes molecules. C, number of protons equals to number of electrons always. So
yeah.
And except if it's an ion, because then number of electrons will be more or less. And atoms aggregate to form molecules, which in turn form matter.
Okay, cool. ठीक है. Show the answer.
Answer is D.
Wait, कहाँ गया zoom?
But molecules, I have a doubt, like molecules and ions form, but basically atoms only form molecules and ions,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
That's all.
ये थोड़ा सा ambiguous है ये वाला question. हाँ? What should be correct?
It could be correct. D should be correct. D is correct answer.
Exactly.
No, but again the thing is, why not? Atoms can aggregate in large numbers to form matter.
Yeah, and we can also see and feel and touch that matter.
Yeah.
Exactly. So the thing is,
but ions have now charge on them. Ions have positive charge on them.
अच्छा, रिद्धिमा go पीछे. First of all, पहला वाला A, atoms are able to exist independently. ये correct है कि wrong है?
This is true.
This is true. They are not able to exist.
हाँ, they are not able to exist. ठीक है, तो किसी ने राघव ने बोला था कि they can exist independently and this is wrong. They cannot exist independently. तभी तो वो molecule बनते हैं ना भाई.
Exactly.
They cannot. exist independently, तो वो गलत है.
You cannot pick up an atom and in this thing.
तो इसका मतलब A जो है वो करेक्ट है, because atoms are not able to exist independently. सही बोल रहे हो, A सही है. B, atoms are the basic unit from which molecules and ions are formed. Correct. एटम से मॉलिक्यूल बनता है, एटम से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल दोगे, उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन डाल दोगे तो आयन बन जाएगा. True. C, atoms are always neutral in nature. वो भी सही बात है, क्योंकि हमेशा अगर न्यूट्रल नहीं है तो वो आयन है, नहीं तो एटम नहीं होगा. D जो है, atoms aggregate in large numbers to form the matter that we can see, feel or touch. Now here, I mean, basically तो सही है ये, but अगर इसमें बाल की खाल निकालने जाओ और देखो कि किसी एक को गलत होना ही है, तो D गलत होगा. Why? Because atoms will aggregate to become molecule, which is a stable particle. Atoms do not aggregate themselves to become matter. Atoms aggregate only to become molecule. Then molecules aggregate to become matter. It is like saying,
and
okay, all
here they have
electrons.
mentioned that when we can see, feel and touch, right? So that can only happen with the help of molecules, not just atoms. Large numbers of molecules जाके तब जाके anything becomes, you know, you can feel the air or you can touch any object or anything like that.
नहीं, but their problem
Sir,
is what they're saying is कि molecules आए तो उसमें atoms भी तो आए ही ना. So large number of atoms have also come together. वो गलत क्यों है?
सर मुझे A भी लग रहा है because helium, all the noble gases, like they can exist independently, right?
But that's
Sir,
only
the question is wrong.
circumstantial.
It should
नहीं,
be
that's
atoms of most elements can exist. So there are some, all the atoms can't, but there's a separate group of noble gases that can exist independently.
No, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है
Condition
यार. So whenever a statement is made, it's very important that you understand statement. If it says atoms are able to exist independently, that doesn't mean that you can pick and choose atoms. It means that in general, this law holds true for atoms, every kind of atom. Can you say atoms are inert? तुम बोलोगे हाँ ये तो सही है ना सर, because inert gases में होता है. ऐसे थोड़ी हर atom के लिए बोला गया. So in this case, हर atom के लिए can it exist independently? No. Atoms will go with molecules only. ठीक है. So ये statement atoms are not able to exist independently is correct. उसकी वो जो molecule बना है उसमें एक ही atom है, वो अलग बात है. ठीक है. So वो वाला तो है. अब ऐसा ये वाला सवाल आएगा तो D लगा लेना, but this question also teaches you कि A, B, C जो है वो सही है. Okay, nobody got it right. चलो next. इसके लिए you have to send me A. Send me a capital A if you want to answer. Nobody has answered. Athar finally gave. Okay. Who else?
ये सारे tough questions हैं.
Audience को tough क्यों दिए फिर? ओके हाँ. सो अभी किसने दिया? अथर, मौली, वसुधा. तो ठीक है मौली, कम इन, टेल मी.
Sir, C, virus.
Okay. Why?
Virus can be made into crystal.
Yes.
Example,
Yes,
which
can you give me the
virus?
Because of
reason?
crystallization.
Why not the others? Why only virus?
Because virus can be crystallized.
Why it can be crystallized? What is it made up of? बोलो.
Ma'am, can I try?
बोलो वसुधा.
Ma'am, virus because they are considered neither living nor non-living because they can only live when they enter a host's body.
Okay. But why? Why? What do they have that they can enter and this thing? What are they made up of? इजी है,
मानसी,
सोचो।
मानसी,
A virus crystal.
अरे हाँ हाँ, बट किससे बने हैं वायरस? इफ यू कंपेयर वायरस टू बैक्टीरिया, अमीबा एंड स्पर्म, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम?
Can I try?
बोलो।
no wait,
Ma'am,
हाँ okay come.
They're
ma'am,
not made up of
virus is made.
cells.
Okay,
It's made up of RNA. Yeah.
they are made up of,
That-
somebody said, Mansi said, they are not made up of cells, so they are made up of इतना तो पढ़ते हो कोरोना वायरस के बारे में, क्या है, व्हाट आर दे मेड अप ऑफ?
Proteins.
एग्जैक्टली, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन्स, है ना?
They do not have a biological system.
Exactly.
Yeah, membrane is also not there.
Okay.
Okay, so who got the point for this?
So the one who answered proteins.
Okay.
Who answered proteins?
Raghav.
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 Raghav
Okay.
got it.
All right. So for next question, you have to give me a capital C. Okay. Chalo. 3, 2, 1, go. Puneet and Atharv have given, then Raghav, then Naitri. ठीक है Raghav, बोलो. Actually Raghav ने दे दिया ना,
should
so
be-
we'll give Naitri. Wait. We'll give Naitri a chance. Naitri.
Yeah, so sir, it should be option C because the stone will move to a tangential path because of the centripetal force which is acting on it in a circular direction.
No. टेंजेंशियल सही बोल दिया, बट सेंट्रीपिटल गलत बोल दिया. सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स तो रेडियल डायरेक्शन में होता है. सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स के कारण तो उसको उधर जाना चाहिए. इधर क्यों जाएगा? Tell me C answer है, but why? If anybody can tell me why right now, they get 10 point. ठीक है. सो राघव ने दिया है करेक्ट आंसर, बट उसको ऑलरेडी चांस मिल गया था. वसुधा तिवारी को नहीं मिला ना चांस. वसुधा बोलो. Why C? Give me that golden word.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So, sir, in circular motion, the direction of the velocity at a point is always along the tangent of the point. So, if the string breaks, then the centripetal acting on the stone becomes 0 and it will move along a straight line.
हाँ, it'll move along the straight line. Why? Because of सेंट्रीपिटल चला गया तो रुक जाना चाहिए ना उसको, बट वो क्यों जा रहा है सीधा? वसुधा क्यों जा रहा है? बताओ. यू आर कमिंग इन द फ्रेम. बताओ.
Sir, just a second.
So can I try?
Who is that? Sara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sara, tell me.
Sir, when inertia acts on the stone and it's moving along the path, and
So
tangent
inertia is the
also
answer, right? So
happens.
inertia of what?
So can I say?
Inertia of what? Okay, Puneet, बताओ. Inertia of what?
Inertia of direction, sir.
But उससे पहले तुमने inertia of rest बोला था इधर.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
So rest पे तो नहीं है ना, motion पे. Because of inertia of motion and especially inertia of direction which you said. Atar Mohita, you had said angular velocity. गलत है. Angular velocity के कारण थोड़ी. Angular velocity अगर होती तो angle में जाता ना. Angular velocity will be caused because of centripetal force. If there is no centripetal force, there is no angular velocity. ठीक है, चलो. So answer was C and inertia of direction. तो किसने बोला था सबसे पहले C? किसने बोला? नाइट्री ने बोला.
but she did not roll
पर
the
उसका
reason.
सेंट्रीपिटल गलत था. हाँ. और उसके बाद किसी ने आंसर नहीं दिया था सही से.
I said
क्या बोला था अभी? किसने बोला
issue of
था?
direction.
सारा ने बोला था. सारा कौन सी टीम से हो?
Volvins.
And are you from the same team as Naitri?
Puni. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो ठीक है. तो फिर कुल मिला के 10 points उस टीम को मिल गया because उस टीम ने तीनों मिला के आंसर दे दिया. ठीक है. Is there any more question or are we done?
There is one last question left.
ठीक है. Final question. Vasudha Tiwari said, even I said, was it wrong? What did you say, Vasudha?
Sir, I just missed out the one thing that Puneet answered.
हाँ वो तो major point था ना. Inertia of what? That's what I'm looking at. So, and point of this whole game is that you have to be very precise, very accurate, right? Even in your examination, that's how you should be. Okay, so final question. Everybody, this is open for all. कोई restriction नहीं. जिसको participate करना है कर लो. First answer दोगे. यहाँ पे first आएगा मेरे पास. ठीक है. तो Y Academy का Y भेजना तुम्हें. Y Academy का capital Y. अगर तुम भेजोगे तो you get the chance to answer the question. Put your hands on capital Y or small y, whichever you want to send. All right. The next final question is going to come in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Puneet said first. Go ahead, Puneet.
So D, iodine in alcohol.
Very good.
All right. So अथर हमेशा तुम एकदम split second से पीछे जा रहे थे. क्यों ऐसा?
Enter दबा शायद.
Enter दबा. तो then you need to be a better gamer also. जैसे तुम practice करके आना चाहिए था. But all right. So I don't know what the marks are. वो तो हमारे जो marks कर रहे हैं ममता, she would know. So we'll release the marks whatever has come. Did you guys have fun? All the people who participated, can you come on video? Did you come? Can you come on? Yeah. All right. So I want to hear from you guys. Did you enjoy this? Everybody gets 10 seconds to say whatever they felt. All right, Athar.
Mansi, you can also come. Anirban, everybody.
Yeah, all those people who participated, come on video. And I want to
Naitri,
hear from you.
Sara,
In 10
Molly.
seconds. Yeah, keep coming, everybody, whoever has participated. 10 seconds में बताओ कैसा क्या लगा, क्या मजा आया, बताओ.
It was very interesting. The questions were challenging and they puzzled our minds. So it was nice.
Okay, Puneet.
Yes, sir. It was a very good chance to come up and give all the questions, understanding, knowledge, and application. And this will surely help in examination.
नहीं but मजा आया क्या? ऐसे energy लगी तुम्हें?
Yeah, it was totally fun.
Okay. What about you, Vasudha?
Sir, I really enjoyed, and I wish that if I could got the things I went wrong in, if I could have got that time, then I would have been a better.
Yeah. So what did you learn from this exercise?
Sir, that I should study hard and focus more and take it in a fun way.
Raga, what about you?
So it was competitive than I imagined it to be. I didn't feel it would be that competitive. And I got to know a lot. Now I'll always remember what phagocytosis is. And yeah.
Okay. What about you, Molly?
Muskan.
Muskan, sorry. Yeah.
It was good and interesting. I have to study more. Like, I have to study hard. The questions were good. It was very interesting and all.
So would you want something like this to happen again next month?
Yes.
तो उस टाइम पढ़ के आओगे अच्छे से.
Yes.
तभी तो कंपटीशन मजा आएगा ना. Okay. Sara, what about you?
सर ऑन वन साइड ऐसा था कि सही आंसर करना है और मतलब विद इन द टाइम फ्रेम, और दूसरी तरफ ये था कि गलत भी नहीं आंसर करना जल्दी जल्दी के चक्कर में.
Right. Exactly. Cool. Right. What about you, Anirban? Which part of the whole quiz did you like?
Sir, I like the nurturers.
Nurturers. But वो तो आंसर नहीं दिया
Yes,
तुमने.
Yes, sir, but I liked it. It was new
You
for
liked
me.
Okay.
It was
Yes,
new
sir.
for you. Nice.
क्या सीखने को मिला इससे तुमको ये गेम से?
Sir, I should study hard and be more accurate in giving the answer in fast.
Okay, very nice. Okay, what about you, Naitri?
So it was quite fun. It was a good way of learning and revising for our final exams, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I'm looking forward for such an event next year also.
But did you prepare and come? Prepare करके आई थी?
Yeah, I glanced through the chapters once, but not that like focusedly.
Okay. What about you, Mansi?
Yeah, it was fun and precise knowledge about time management thing should be there. And yeah, like if this event happens again, it would be even more fun. Like it helps in revising.
Right. Which all of you can answer this. Which round did you like the most?
Audience.
नहीं, but round कौन सा type के questions?
Find the error.
Find the error. Okay.
Yeah.
Diagrammatic questions.
Assertion reasoning.
Assertion reasoning.
Assertion reasoning, one audience.
Okay, how many of you liked assertion reasoning? हाथ उठाओ. Okay, तो वैसे वो तो एग्जाम में भी आता है. इधर सामने हाथ उठा दो so that I can see. Okay, and how many of you liked the ये find the error वाले questions?
I
And how
think
many of you liked
everybody tanked in the definitions round. That is something everybody needs to focus on.
And
It
वो
was very
एग्जाम में आने वाला है.
surprising. Yeah, the definitions,
you like the
Quizlet has
definition
to
round?
be like, yeah.
डेफिनेशन राउंड किसको पसंद आया कि 20 सेकंड में
किसी को
डेफिनेशन
नहीं
देना है? सो घर पे ऐसे ही करो. आस्क योर मदर और फादर और ब्रदर सिस्टर whoever to ask you random questions and you should be able to answer it in 20 seconds. अगर नहीं आया तो जाके रिवाइज करो. इसका मतलब it's not there in your memory yet. क्योंकि एग्जाम में you should not take time to write this. other lengthy paper होने वाला है. It's very important that all the memory based questions should be there, right there. अभी तो एग्जाम आने वाले है ना, और तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि एकदम रट के रखो तुम जितनी मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं ताकि इसको रिकॉल कर सको. ठीक है. ऑलराइट गाइस, हैड फन देन. सो we'll let you know about your marks. So Vidima, if you have to say something, you can.
Yeah, I think so. I think by tomorrow morning we'll have all the results of your individual scores, your team scores. So right now we'll work on it, all the total, and then we will have the ceremony on Thursday after your class. Yeah. So we'll.
Saturday कर
you
लेते
know,
हैं.
we'll be-
It's better than on a weekend. It's better, right, to have the ceremony.
Okay, so we can do it on a
Whichever.
Saturday also, provided you guys are free. Yeah.
पूछ
Okay.
लेना इन लोग से, पूछ लेना. Okay.
Yeah.
So were
All
these
right.
marks included in the
Bolo.
individual score?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we will update the individual scores. We'll update your team scores. Then we'll have somebody who has done the top most performance in the whole of championship and everything. So
Okay.
all those marks will get updated, and then we'll let you know. But everybody has done a very good job. I know you had your school commitments and everything. So it's good that you guys put in so much of effort. So I hope अभी तुम लोग के Feb में exams आने वाले हैं, right? 15th Feb, I think.
The
Vibhor is
March,
starting.
ma'am, March 1st for Podar.
हाँ, Podar is a little late, but all the other schools in Malad are starting from mid of Feb. So I hope that you guys are, this will motivate you to do better, right? Because these are exactly the type of questions that you can expect in the exam, right? So start preparing on that front. All right.
Okay. Have fun. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
Study well.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank